check it. Hello viewers, we are from other channel from Crank Service. Our channel is budget. This is the car. Our new suspension we bought from the internet. Yeah, we know. And now we are installing assembly. That's all. We see you later. First we adjust about the steering, and after that mount this on the car. See you later. Hello viewers, this is our shy base for more camber. We reach around 3 degrees отрицation camber on this chassis. Okay, we put this shy base here. Okay, yes. Okay, see you later. Bye. Hello viewers, we are installing the wideband. AEM Electronics sponsored our video, and they sent to me the last model of airflow ratio power torque gauges. We are installing a rear suspension, yeah, like new. Everything is adjustable. Everything is okay. Now we proceed with electrical system and diagram. We put here the boxes and everything. Now the car under hood is okay. We need to check what happened here. Rear diff oil. That's all, folks. Here viewers, we are packed the car. The car is ready for off-roading. How you see, this is the most lower of the springs rate. Front is okay, but the rear is like a Russian car on the village. See you next days.